Oh, you give me the shitty lighter?
Wonky slosh. What is up, guys? Finally, another update. Y'all been blowing my damn shit up. And you know what? You should, because I kind of forgot. Alright, so anyways, I got the little homie Christian out here lending a hand. He a JDM boy, but we gonna put him on the LS game a little bit, see what he got. So first of all, these are a lot heavier, and there's a second row of cylinders compared to what you're used to.
Yeah.
No, but guys, we've been needing to get this garage cleaned out. A project that I haven't been filming that I for sure don't want to is my dad's OBS. He's got a locked up motor and an 88. It's a 3/4 ton, single cab, long bed, 4-wheel drive, blah, blah, blah. Had a 350 in it, it's messed up. We bought this parts truck from this old boy, said it was a V8. We never thought to check, pulled the motor for a donor. It's a 305. So we're rebuilding this 305. Well, my dad is pretty much. And then we had a garage sale, so we got all this stuff out. And so we need to clean the garage up. I have bought these 2 engine stands. I'm pretty sure I talked about it in a video a long time ago. Okay, they're still sitting there. So nothing got done. So what we're gonna try to do tonight, right quick, we're already pooped. We worked all day. Oh, by the way, I sold the YZ 250. It's gone. Oh well. We are going to, this is the 60480 out of the van. Me and Christian are going to get the transmission yanked off of here, which we pretty much already yanked all the harness stuff. He's pulling the bell housing bolts, looks like he just pulled the starter out. So we're about ready to pull the last bolt, start yanking this. Then we're going to get those 2 engine stands put together, get the 6.0 on a stand so we can start tearing it down and figure out what gaskets we obviously need to replace. And then the other stand is going to get my 5.3 put on it, which has the double intake manifold mod right now. We're going to get that on a stand so that I can get it cleaned up and gasketed to go in the STEMI truck, because I need to get that bitch going. So yeah, this is basically going to be a boring video of y'all watching us clean the shop up, but nonetheless, it needs to be done. So here we go. All right, so we got the tranny separated, took all the bolts out, got the starter out, everything. I'm sitting here yanking on it and it's like stopping. I forgot the flex plate torque converter bolts. But we had 2 people, and it actually, I think it's been taken apart at one point in time, because the torque converter bolts were like, he was just barely having to just, and then they broke loose, busted them out. We got it done. Anyways, we got that shit off. We kind of ran past our time a little bit, so we're gonna just put this one stand together, save the other one for maybe tomorrow night. Take the old cherry picker, pick this bit up, bolt it to the stand, and then we're gonna call it a night, because it's already like 8:30. We still got to take a shower, eat, chill out, relax, get ready for work tomorrow. So let's get the stand whipped up and get this bitch on the stand. All right, guys, so we're at a stopping point for tonight. I did this like I've done it before. I always forget to get good bolts for this. I'm not gonna use an accessory bolt because that heavy bitch is probably gonna snap these right in half. So I know what thread I need, and I need it probably about a 1/2 inch shorter than that. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store tomorrow, either at lunch or after work, get 8 bolts, 4 to bolt this stand to this motor, and 4 bolts to put that stand together and hang my 5.3 on it. And then we'll get all this stuff put up in the attic so we can get our floor space back. And we're gonna introduce y'all to some JDM stuff, because this boy right here got him a 2020 Civic Si. So he's got some lowering springs coming. That'll be the first thing we kind of do with it. So we're gonna put the lowering springs on it. I'll do a video on that. I know most of my audience is truck people, so y'all ain't about that, but if you are, cool, hang out. And then old Whitebeard need an oil change. My Subaru needs its oils changed. So we gotta get our floor space back in the shop here. So we kind of let go for a little bit, and yeah, we got to get it straightened back up. So for tonight, that's it. We'll pick this back up tomorrow. All right, not too bad. I think you're gonna have a fun day tomorrow.
Yes.
So probably what I'm gonna do for tomorrow, since he's gonna be here and he's gonna be tackling this, I'm gonna leave him the camera and all the shit he needs, and you can start recording, and then whenever I get home, I'll pick it up.
Yeah.
But as far as cleaning up the shop, this is about as good as it's gonna get for right now. Dad's heads are finally done. So he'll probably be back in here. It's 4th of July weekend this weekend, so that might be a while. The tuner's almost finished up with the OBS. We've had some difficulties with the tuning process, but I'll tell y'all all about that when we get the truck back home. That way I got the truck right here and we can do a nice little update on it. But anyways, yeah, so that's your little update. Sorry guys, I looked at the creator app and realized it'd been like 15 days since I posted, and I was like, oh shit. So yeah, that's what's up guys. We did a lot of dirt work. Might as well show you all that. Remember all them piles out here? So the yard is very different. So last weekend we spent all day Saturday and Sunday doing yard work, doing all this dirt work and cleaning up the backyard and moving some stuff around while we had a skid steer here. But yeah, if y'all remember, there was a little like kind of creek right here, and we filled it all in. So now our yard's like kind of level. We need a little bit more dirt, but yeah, we didn't fill these completely in. I'm trying to find one that's like, oh, the dirt would have washed into it. Oh, you can see this cracking. But anyways, we're trying to eventually get like that back line where that stump is, like that tallest part. We're trying to get that flush with the driveway, make that one flush swoop. But anyways, that's where we ran out of dirt in time with the skid steer. So anyways, that's y'all's little update. We're gonna have some new content. I'm gonna start getting cars involved again, because man, I started out in the JDM world. Like, I played with trucks since I was a kid, but I started out in the JDM world, so I'm gonna kind of get back in touch with that. So y'all are just gonna have to deal with that. I'm gonna still play with the trucks. We still got the STEMI truck, still got Chris's dually, but we're gonna have some fun and get the other cars in here. So y'all look forward to a video on some D2 lowering springs on this baby, and then hopefully we'll have the truck back by the end of this week. I can do an update on the OBS for you guys, and then we can start tearing down Chris's motor, start tearing down my 5.3 so we can start doing the gaskets on it, and basically get back in the groove and get my head back out of my ass and us get to it. So that's it for this one guys. Peace out, be human, and head over to MattyXBuilds.com and check out the Playboy drop. I know a lot of y'all didn't really care for that. It flopped completely, that's fine. I got another pre-order up right now. It's the YEET tee.
God damn, man, you spread that like a Georgia peach.
I had to. So yeah, y'all head over to MattyXBuilds.com if you like that YEET tee. Take y'all on over there, go to the page, do the pre-order. On July 11th, I'm gonna cut the pre-order off, which is a Sunday night. I'm gonna cut the pre-order off, and then we'll start producing the shirts at work, and I'll get them shipped out by the end of by the end of July, like hopefully the 3rd or 4th week of July, I'll have the shirts shipped out and in you guys' hands. But anyways, y'all head over there, check that out. If you like it, grab it. If you don't, that's fine. And other than that, like I said, peace out, be human, and we'll see you later. Later, guys.